Another windy day at the fishing hole. Ain't catching nothing. Whole lot of wind though. Back at the Outdoor Pro Shop tree stand here. You got a couple bobbers, a whole bunch of line. They stocked up on the line today. A couple weights, couple hooks in there. Yeah, I think the shipment of line came in today. Yeah, they're stocking up for the spring. Big heavyweight. Alright, here it is. Those dragonfly type of lure I made with the jig skirt through the middle here. Let's see if this will catch anything. Alright, let's see if this gets it done. This will help a little bit. Got one. Oh shoot. Holy heck. I got a fish. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. That one. Yes. Woo! Let's go. Yes! Oh. Look at this guy. Yes! First bass of 2026. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Yeah. And I netted it with my Temu net there I got right there. My Temu net. Stuck in the rocks, stuck in the rocks, there he goes. Holy cow. Alright everyone, well, today was a really windy day. If it was no wind, it'd be a great day today, but the wind was just way too much. But with all that being said, I did catch my first bass of 2026. I think it was probably about an 8-pounder. I didn't have a scale, so what a relief. 2026 first bass on a drop shot. And how I caught it was with this bait here. Not this one, the other one flew off in the water, but got another one. This is my Blue Nightmare color with some skirt material in the middle. And I ended up catching it with that. With the wind and everything, it was a pretty good day. Got my first bass, so that's always exciting. Not that bad of a day. Can't wait to get some more fishing videos out. Alright guys, see you in the next one.